Hey, what's going on? Benji Kaiser today, helping you dominate your field. And what I want to show you today is how to set up presets within the Fiery Impose system. So we're working here in the Fiery Command Workstation by EFI. And one of the great benefits about the Fiery system is how you can come into properties and you can set up these presets. But one of the things that I found a really big struggle is how to edit, adjust, delete, remove, whatever you want to say, these presets once you have them. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. You're going to come up here to Server, and you're going to click Device Center. All right, from Device Center, you're going to go to Job Presets. And then within Job Presets here, I can click and I can edit the different job properties, which is really nice. So normally I would have to go around and maybe create a new one and then have stacks and stacks of old presets. But now I figured out that you can simply come in, change the media, the different color and image output, and all the different values within your job presets. And you can simply duplicate, you can delete presets, and whatever you need to do. And that's how I have all these different presets here. These speed up my design process by leaps and bounds. So this is an incredible resource to have. But you don't want to stack up tons and tons of presets. It just gets confusing. So that's how you manage your presets here in the Fiery Command Workstation. I'm working on the Konica Minolta Bizhub printer specifically here. Thanks for tuning in today. We'll catch you in the next episode of BenjiKaiser.com.